Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join us today here at Costa Decky in Tenerife. Look at that view. Look at that. Currently sat waiting for an Uber. Yeah. Well, we've given up on Uber twice and tried to ring a local taxi. And I don't think they want to come here because I was getting a recorded message and I think that's been cancelled. Yeah. Try again. Anywho, tried again. This time I've spoken to the hotel reception who has ordered me a taxi. And we can see a taxi come up the hill. Go on, have a look.
Could be that one.
Do you think? Do you think it's that one?
It's always a chance.
Did this be our lucky day? Oh, there's another taxi turning here. It's a race. It's a race for who wants the job. Dun 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 dun. And we've got a taxi turning in right now. Methinks we have the taxi. Well, eventually we've done it. We're here. We've come down to Puerto Colon. So we've got the port just here. So yeah, let's have a look around. Try and get something to eat. Maybe get a drink since we're on holiday, aren't we? And look around, obviously. Come on. So, we didn't find a lift, so we had to carry her down the stairs. Not good for wheelchairs really, but we're here. Well, we've come for our first meal, proper meal, at Tenerife, and we're at the Royal Beach here in Costa Decky. Hopefully it's good, I will tell you. So the drinks have come. They're like pina colada. I like pina colada.
Can't do that.
Well, taking a while as food, mind. Oh well, better be nice. Secret report. Can the white come off again, please? Thanks. So there you have it. We've had our food. We're being watered. What? Lucky man trying to get on the video. Charge me if I stop him. Anywho, I'm gonna have a walk across to Fanabe now and see if I can bump into some of my family that's over there. So all the way along the beach, you've got these little beach bars, and they've all got these beds and cabanas that you can rent out for the day. All private. Fantastico! We're going to have a little further walk along the beach, see what else we can see. So just have myself a little drink down the beach. Whew, I've got a load of sandflies around my head. Anywho, we just had a little drink down the beach, met some cousins of mine, and gonna have a look through the shops before heading back up the hotel. Well, that's our first little mooch around, as Jeff Carter would say. And we're waiting for a taxi. We're going to head back up to the hotel, possibly go in the pool, and then we're going to go out later on and have food with my auntie and uncle. I won't be filming that, they don't like being on film. So, yeah, probably will end this at the hotel, possibly the pool. I don't know. This could be the end of the video. You'll know when I know. Well, I've decided to end the video here. That took us, let's have a look, 45 minutes to get from down there to up here via taxi. But 40 of those minutes was waiting for a taxi. The taxi situation here is dire at the moment. Anywho, have a look out with the view. Enjoy that. Are you enjoying it? Good. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.